In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a loan on Revolut. We'll walk through the path in the app, what to check on each screen, and a few helpful tips so you can apply confidently. Start by opening the Revolut app and heading to the home screen. Make sure you're signed in and your app is up to date, since layouts can change with new versions. From the home screen, tap Accounts, then select Add New. This is where Revolut groups new products and extra accounts. If it's not immediately visible, confirm you're on Home and not inside another section. Next, choose Credit and then tap Personal Loan. This section is dedicated to borrowing products, and selecting Personal Loan opens the overview and starts the application. Carefully read the loan details presented to you. You'll typically see the interest rate or APR, the repayment term, the estimated monthly payment, and any fees. Take a moment to review how repayments will be collected and what happens if you pay late. When you're ready, fill in the required information for your application. The app may ask about your income, employment, residence, and the purpose of the loan, and it may request your consent for a credit check. Enter everything truthfully and double check for accuracy to avoid delays. Once you're done, submit your application and wait for approval. Many applications are reviewed quickly, but timing can vary based on your details and location. Keep notifications enabled so you see the decision as soon as it's ready. If your application is approved, you can review and sign the agreement directly in the app. Read the agreement carefully, including the APR, the total amount repayable, the term length, the repayment schedule, and any early repayment policies. If everything looks right, complete the signature as instructed. Finally, the funds will be sent to your account instantly. You'll see the new balance in Revolut, and your repayment plan will appear in the same area so you can stay on top of payments. Keep in mind you must be at least 18 years old and meet Revolut's eligibility requirements, which vary by country and are subject to credit assessment. Availability can differ depending on your location and profile. And that's it. You now know how to apply for a loan on Revolut.